Right, just checked into my hotel, or motel, what do you call it, motel? At the Holiday Inn, and it is impressive. Check this out. There's 2 mirrors, so you can see yourself and your ass, and wait till you see outside. Just check this out. There's a toilet, a shower, as every place should have, a bed, 2 leather seats, and look at this view. A railway. Ha! But wait, there's more. Up the front, we have, that's right, AstroTurf. AstroTurf everywhere. Look at this. AstroTurf on the steps. All the way down. All the way along. Now, if there's one thing in this world we don't have enough of, it's AstroTurf. Oh, you guessed it, more AstroTurf. Even all the way up the front. And look at this sea of bitumen around me. Bitumen and AstroTurf. Now that is a hotel.